Understanding your customer journey often requires looking at the same experience from different perspectives. Different stakeholders need to focus on specific parts of the journey, not just a single one-size-fits-all view. With layers in QuestionPro Journey Management, you can instantly customize how your journey map is viewed, analyzed, and shared, without changing the underlying data. In this video, we'll show you how to create and use layers to focus on the insights that matter most to each team. Start by selecting the workspace. Now choose the journey map where you want to create the layer. Once inside the map, open the Base Layer dropdown, then click Manage Layers to create, edit, or organize layers. This is where you start defining custom views of your journey data. To create a new layer, click the Add Layer button. Start by naming your layer with a clear descriptive title, so teams can easily understand the perspective it represents. Then select the stages and lanes you want in this layer. Once all the stages and lanes are selected, click Apply to create the layer. Once applied, your new layer is created and instantly reflected in the journey map, giving you a tailored view of the experience based on the criteria you selected. You can access all your created layers anytime from the Layers menu, making it easy to switch between different views of your journey and focus on the insights most relevant to you. You can easily share this layer with stakeholders and team members across your organization. Just go to Settings and click Share Map. The link is automatically copied, ready to share for instant access to this customized view. This makes collaboration easier by ensuring everyone is aligned on the same experience insights. With layers in QuestionPro Journey Management, you can turn one journey map into multiple meaningful perspectives, so every team can see, understand, and act on the insights that matter most.